Hello, I'm Kevin Burgess. I'm an organic chemistry professor. I've been teaching sophomore organic undergraduates and graduate students. There are two types of students in introductory organic chemistry. Those that don't understand curly arrows, and the privileged group, those that do. And your objective is to get into that elite group as quickly as you possibly can. The sooner you arrive in that group, the more points you will gain throughout the whole course, because curly arrows pop up over and over again on many quizzes and exams. There are a few exams or quizzes that don't have a curly arrow in them. It's bewildering for the non-elite group to understand, because they can be drawn in so many ways. They can go up and down to the right. They can go up and down to the left. They can go down and then up to the left. They can go down and then up to the right. Some curly arrows break bonds, and some curly arrows seem to break the bond in a different way. Some have a full head and some have a half a head. Don't get confused about that. Leave the half head ones alone most of the time. Some stop at an atom and then go from the same atom and carry on, and other ones go through an atom and keep going. And some don't go through atoms at all. It's all quite simple, really. There's two or three things that matter about the arrow: where it belongs on electron density, where it ends up, usually on less electron density, and what the head is, double or single. But don't worry about single-headed arrows too much. Fish hooks. Now, it's easy to understand when I tell you exactly what double head and a fishhook means, and that you can draw things in different ways. The art is being able to apply this to any structure that you come across on any exam and any quiz, and that's how you optimize your points. And the professor often doesn't remember how difficult it is. It's almost second nature for them to draw curly arrows. So that's why I wrote my workbook on curly arrows in the byinquisition press series. These are animated workbooks. They contain videos to help you understand along the way. All the answers are online, and you can download them for about the cost of half a cup of coffee. Even if your lecturer is not recommending these for your course, they're a stealth way to understand and get ahead of everybody else. And if he or she is, I love it. Thank you very much. So the trick is that you would sit there with your iPad, download the book, fill in all the answers without looking at my answers online, and then check against my online answers. Any that are sketchy, any that are a bit wrong, take them out. And then the next day, not the same day, go back, particularly over the blanks. Try filling those in again. See how many more you get right, how many more you have to erase. Leave it a day or two. Repeat the procedure. And if you go through this cycle 3 or 4 times, you will remember, and you will remember long term. You'll start feeling comfortable with the material. That's how you learn curly arrows in sophomore organic chemistry. I'm sorry to say this, it takes a lot of practice to get this art mastered. But once you have, you're off and running. You're getting ahead. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.